They're riding and roping at Padlock Ranch, a 500,000-acre cattle spread that sprawls across the hills of Wyoming and the wide open spaces of Montana.
Everybody here, we're glad to have you here.
Padlock Ranch will graze more than 10,000 head of cattle a year, and that's a draw to tourists who vacation here for a slice of home on the range that you won't find on a dude ranch.
You're going to be riding, moving cattle and working with the cowboys.
The Palmer family left their city life behind in Denver
2, 3,
to saddle up and spend some time on horseback.
It's a good thing we gave you that light saddle.
We're not going to go in there, we're not going to be hollering and yah and that kind of thing.
Today's cowboy chore, moving 200 cows and their calves to the corral. Running a ranch means regular vaccinations to keep the stock healthy.
It was really cool. I liked it a lot.
It was.
I just really like the experience of feeling like all the pressure and stress of home kind of leaves you when you come here. So kind of have a new perspective on things.
There's no trains or airplanes or cars or traffic, and it feels like time stopped here. It's great.
So, Wayne, we're on the grounds of one of this country's largest cattle companies. Why tourism?
Couple reasons. One is that we want to tell agriculture's story. We want to let people begin to understand where their food comes from. And the second reason is purely economic, that we want to create another source of income.
The ranchers here say making that connection with consumers has become a critical element in reaching out to those who know little about farming or ranching.
We can teach them about our culture, give them the chance to experience it and understand what it is. This to us is a way of life, and we just want people to be able to experience that.
What does it give someone when they come out here and experience this type of life?
A lot of what we do with our working ranch vacations is education. If you can go somewhere and connect or reconnect, you learn something about yourself.
Padlock is banking that yearning for learning will trigger the interest of more visitors. Visitors who leave Padlock better understanding what ranchers face on the range.
Well, I think all ranchers have an untold story of caring about the animals that they care for. And there's lots of times they've spent in blizzards and other things taking care of a single calf. Today, the public is really interested in that.
After a hard day's work, it's time to kick back. But there's no bare bones bunkhouse here.
We need to find you a cowboy, because if there's one thing cowboys need, it's nurses.
Visitors relax at the upscale Wolf Mountain Lodge. It's up with the sun tomorrow as the golden glow fades tonight.
Yeah, great day.
I was reminiscing back when I was a kid, and I remember feeling completely free. And that's what land and having nobody around does. It frees you.
It's a great experience for them. Something we hope they can take home, and we know they will. We know they'll have memories that'll last for a long time.